Make a great choice today with the 2021 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.